Okay, this is a tire valve cap. You can use it on your car, you can use it on your bicycle. It's got a little slot in it, 3.5 adapter. I'm going to connect it to a Microsaver. Goes into the slot, lock it, move the key. It's on there, not coming off. Goes into the 3.5 headphone jack of your iPhone. Swings. You can see the screen. Easily comes out. Very easy. That's it. Oh wait, there's more. I have this adapter. Adapter goes into the jack, and then you can take your Clicksafe. Clicksafe locks into it. Same thing. You could suspend it, roll it, let it swing back and forth. You want to see another picture? Also comes out or locks in. Swings. Very easy.